Hi folks, it's Michael Tafel. I'm in Florence here, and today's side trip is to the Tuscan hilltop town of Volterra. Now, I've never been to Volterra before, so I'm a little nervous about this, but as you folks know, I like to film these videos to kind of encourage you, if you ever visit Florence, to do your own do-it-yourself side trips to these other various cities in Tuscany. The reason I've been hesitant with Volterra is because there is no direct train that takes you. All these other places we have gone, Arezzo, Siena, Pisa, easy to get to. Direct train takes you there in an hour or so. Volterra is a little more mysterious and it's a little more difficult. You have to take a train to Pontedera and then you have to catch a bus. Now, throughout the years, I've been looking into this side trip and I'm always worried about what if I miss the bus or the train is late, those types of things. But with a little encouragement from a friend and with some of my own personal research, I figured it doesn't look like it's going to be too bad. The trains leave about every 20 minutes. It's a 40-minute train ride. It costs about €7. And then from what I've heard, in Pontedera, not too far away from the train station, is the bus station. And that's where you catch the bus that's going to take you all the way up to Volterra. I heard the views are breathtaking. The bus also costs about €7. I recommend getting your tickets in advance and getting tickets that you validate. So that way, if you miss a train or you miss a bus, it's not a big deal. You can just catch the next. I heard Volterra has a lot of history. It was once an Etruscan city. It's got Etruscan ruins there. Then it became an ancient Roman city. And I heard they got a beautiful theater you can see. And it was also a proud, independent, medieval hilltop town. So the many layers of history in this place sound fascinating. So I'm a little nervous, folks, but I'm glad you're here to join me. We're going to take a look at a little of the sights and sounds, and let's go to Volterra. Come on. Well, folks, we pulled it off. It was a long day, but everything went smooth. No trains missed, no buses missed. Volterra is an amazing town. Next time, I am definitely going to spend the night there, but it was so worth it. I hope you folks really enjoyed some of the scenery, and maybe I inspired you to visit Volterra as well. I had a great time. Thank you for watching.